So the question today is your technician loaded? Now let me explain. I'm not talking about whether your technician has been hitting the bottle or not. I'm talking about something much more important. Hey, this is Gerry from Maverick Shop Owners, and today I want to talk to you about loading your technician in your management software. So why is this so important? You see, if you're like me and most shop owners across the country, one of the most important KPI we look at is gross profit dollars or gross profit margin. And if your tech cost isn't loaded, if it's not accurate, it throws this important KPI out the window. So things you might not have considered about technician cost when you're inputting it into your management software. So here's a few things you may not have considered. Payroll taxes. We're talking about things like FICA, Social Security, and Medicare. There's federal unemployment and state unemployment. Let's not forget about health insurance, the employer's portion of whatever you contribute to your technician's health insurance. That should be included in that number. If you offer an IRA or a 401, the employer's contribution, make sure you're taking that into account. And then, of course, there's vacation pay, paid time off, sick days. All of that needs to be taken a look at. And then I even include workers' compensation, because let's face it, if your state has workers' compensation that you have to pay, the majority of that is based on the technician. So again, you may want to include that. So if your technician is, say, making $35 an hour, heck, you can see by adding these up, he's making a whole lot more than $35 an hour. So make sure when you're putting your technician cost into your software, it's loaded. This can be a really complex issue, and I'm going to share with you on my next video a really simple formula that you can do this really easy. Stay tuned for the next video. Hey, do me a favor, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or if I can be of any help, feel free to shoot me an email, Gerry@maverickshopowners.com. Until the next video, thanks so much for watching.